everyone, how are you today? Really happy to see you. So today we continue the before lesson. Last lesson we talked about compared adjectives. Today we talk about superlative adjectives. Достар, бүгін біз сіздермен өткен сабақты жалғастырамыз. Өткен жолы біз сіздермен салыстырмалы шырай өткен болатынбыз. Бүгін біз сіздермен күшейтпелі шырайды өтеміз. Бірақ алдымен жаңа сөздер жазып алайық. Long ago, бұрында, давно. On and on. On and on дегеніміз непрерывно, снова и снова, яғни қайталана беретін әрекетті айтамыз. On time, уақытында, вовремя. Once in a while, иногда, кейде деген сөз. Right away, болмаса right now, дәл қазір, прямо сейчас. Take time, занимать время, яғни уақыт алады, қанша уақыт алады. It takes 2 hours, бұл 2 сағат алады деген сияқты. Take your time, асықпа, не спеши. Take your time. There is no hurry, это спешить некуда. Яғни, ешқайда асығудың қажеті жоқ. Time is up. Время пришло, уақыт келді. Time out, перерыв, яғни үзіліс. Time out. Time after time. Раз за разом, регулярно. Қайталанан беретін әрекет айтамыз, ja? Time after time. Time is getting short. У нас мало времени. Бізде аз уақыт қалды. Wait and see дегеніміз поживем, увидим. Уақыт өте көреміз деген сөз. Сонымен достар, осы сөздердің барлығын жазып жаттап алыңыздар. Енді бүгінгі сабақ жалғастыратын болсақ, superlative. Қазір экранға сіздерге шығады. Superlative дегеніміз ол күшейтпелі шырай. Яғни сіздер бір нәрсені, заттарды, сипатын айтпас бұрын сіздер айтасыздар, бұл ең керемет нәрсе, болмаса бұл ең үлкен үй, бұл ең үлкен машине, болмаса ең әдемі, ең қымбат, ең кішкентай, болмаса осындай салыстыр деп бұл. Осындай сөйлемдерді айтқан кезде ең, яғни number one, ең үлкен, ең керемет, ең қорқынышты. Сол кезде сіздер superlative қолданасыздар. Бір-екі мысал келтірейік. Мысалы, this is the fastest car in Almaty. This is the fastest car. Fastest дегеніміз ең жылдам. Болмаса, this is the biggest house in our street. The biggest. Яғни ең үлкен. Сонымен, жай сөйлемдерде біз, жай сын есімдерге біз алдында з міндетті түрде, кейін сол сөзге est жалғауын жалғаймыз. Est. Ал егер бізде сын есіміміз 2 немесе 3 буыннан тұратын болса, біз оған алдына the most дегенді жалғаймыз. The most дегеніміз ең. The most dangerous, the most important, the most beautiful, яғни the most ең. Жарай ма? Достар, сіздерге үй тапсырмасы. Осы суперлативті қолдану арқылы 10 сөйлем жасаңыздар. Осы суперлативті өмірдің қай салаларында қолдансаңыздар болады. Жалпы, қалай оны тиімді түрде қолдануға болады, соған қатысты 10 сөйлем жасауға тырысыңыздар. Қазір сіздерге практикалық видео болады. Сол видеодағы барлық сөз тіркестерінің барлығын жазып алыңыздар. Жарай ма? Goodbye.
The most important thing. Pam, you look amazing. Your dress is so beautiful. Not as beautiful as yours, Jenny, and you have a new hairstyle. Your hair is shorter than before, but it looks more stylish now. Thanks. Wow, look at your shoes. They are so fancy. They are very cool looking, but less comfortable than I thought. And they're the most expensive shoes I've ever bought. The worst choice ever.
Are you enjoying the party, girls?
Yeah, we are. Everything is so delicious. Have you tasted these snacks over here? But these ones are tastier because they are so spicy. Just try them.
They are tasty indeed, but not as delicious as this salad. And it's the healthiest choice, by the way.
Kristen is so happy. She's got so many wonderful presents. She's got a new smartphone. I wish I were as lucky as her. Her smartphone is the slimmest phone on the market. It is much slimmer than mine. My phone is older than all the other phones I see. I wish I had a more modern phone with a larger screen. That's the least important thing in life to make you happy. A more modern phone won't make you happier. My phone is as old as yours, and I don't need another one. Kristen is so happy because she has many friends. I think she is the friendliest person I know. Yes, she is considered to be the most popular girl in school and the most loved one. Who is the boy next to her?
That's her brother, Paul. I met him at the chess club. He's the most talented chess player in the club. And I think he is the most intelligent student in our school.
Is he older than Kristen?
Yes, he is 2 years older than her.
He is as handsome as Kristen.
But he is not as sociable as her. He doesn't have too many friends. He is quieter and more sensitive than his sister. He studies harder than her. His marks are better than Christian's. But she is funnier and nicer. I get along better with her than Paul. Of all my friends, she is the easiest person to talk to.
And who is the woman talking to Kristen right now?
Oh, that's her mum. She is the kindest and most generous person I know. She loves helping everyone. She has a very good heart. Look, the girl coming towards them is Christian's and Paul's sister, Vivian.
Really? But she looks very different from them. She is taller, has darker hair, and looks much older. I think she is the least attractive of them. Her clothes aren't so fashionable as her siblings.
Well, I think she considers character more important than appearance. She may be less attractive than her siblings, but she has a nice personality. Everyone likes her. She is indeed the oldest of them and the tallest member of the family. She is a basketball player. They may be very different, but they love and support one another. That's the most important thing.
How's it going, guys? Are you having fun?
Yeah, we're having a great time. The party is awesome. I absolutely love all the treats, and there were so many beautiful surprises.
The best part is yet to come. Just wait and see.
The cake tastes just as good as it looks.
It has the most wonderful flavour I've ever tasted.
This is a great party. I'm having so much fun. Pam, you are the best dancer in our class. Why won't you join us? I would be the worst dancer in these shoes. They're so uncomfortable. So anyone is a better dancer than I am right now. Oh, you poor thing. Next time I buy shoes, I'll take care to choose the most comfortable ones and not the best looking ones.
Comparatives. We use the comparative form to compare two people, animals, places, or things.
That smartphone is slimmer than mine.
Paul is older than Kristen.
This salad is tastier than that snack.
She is nicer than him.
Her phone is more modern than mine.
Paul is more sensitive than his sister.
Vivian is less attractive than Kristen. You're a better dancer than me. Comparisons with as are used to say that two things, animals or people, have the same attribute.
I wish I were as lucky as her.
Paul is as handsome as Kristen. Not as is used to say that two things, animals or people, do not have the same attribute. Not as and less have the same meaning.
He is not as sociable as her, or he is less sociable than her.
Vivian is less attractive than her siblings, or Vivian is not as attractive as her siblings.
Superlatives. The superlative form is used to describe the extreme quality of one thing in a group.
Her smartphone is the slimmest phone on the market. She is the friendliest person I know.
Her mom is the kindest person I've met.
That phone has got the largest screen I've ever seen.
She is the most popular girl in school.
That's the most important thing.
She is the least attractive of them. You are the best dancer in our class.
That was the worst choice ever.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.